Fix in 5. P0239. P0239 means the turbo boost pressure sensor is sending a signal outside. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, CEL, illuminated, verify with OBD2 scanner, boost sensor voltage out of range, 0.5, 4.5 V nominal, verify with multimeter live reading, reduced engine power or limp mode activation, verify with test drive, note boost pressure drop, poor fuel economy, verify with fuel consumption log over 50 plus miles. Now the most likely causes. Faulty boost pressure sensor, map sensor, signal voltage outside 0.5, 4.5 V range at idle and under boost. Wiring harness damage or corrosion, typically at connector or engine bay exposure points. Connector pins loose or corroded, in most cases. Cleanable with electrical contact cleaner. Vacuum line leak or disconnection, depending on model. How to fix it. Inspect and clean boost pressure sensor connector. Apply dielectric grease if corroded. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness in boost pressure circuit. Reconnect any loose or disconnected boost pressure lines. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €120 doing it yourself, or €109, €184 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0239 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0239 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0239. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.